29 today, maybe an ordinary day for you and me, but it isn't for the parents whose daughter was raped and murdered while doing her duty at the Ajikar Hospital in Kolkata last year. It is Devi's birthday today, and her parents have made an appeal to the people to hit the streets once again. The march has been called in remembrance of their daughter as the parents now continue to seek justice for her. The West Bengal Junior Doctors Front are also holding a health camp and a mass gathering for which CM Mamata Banerjee has also been invited. In fact, today marks 6 months of the horrific incident which shook the soul of the nation. However, the parents' quest for justice continues. Earlier last month, a Kolkata court found Kolkata Police Civic volunteer Sanjay Roy guilty of rape and murder and sentenced him to life imprisonment. However, the parents of the victim now say that they only want a death penalty for him. In fact, my colleague Ritik joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Ritik, now help us understand how the response has been, because these are, of course, the parents who have gone through a lot over the last few months, over the last few weeks. Help us understand how the response has been to their call, asking people to hit the streets once again.
Let me bring this broadcast right in front of the Ajikar Medical College and Hospital. What we can see, let me update our viewers what is happening at this point in time on the streets of Kolkata. Yes, as you rightly pointed out, that it was a major call given by the victim parents, and largely thousands number of citizens, they have responded to the call given by the Abhaya's parent. But as soon as they reached to the Ajikar Medical College and Hospital, the CISF personnel and Kolkata police, they have barricaded them. They stopped them to enter the Ajikar Medical College and Hospital. That led to another round of war of words between protesting doctors and cops. Now, what we are given to understand that the cops are saying that if thousands number of protesters led by junior doctors, if they entered the hospital premises, that could lead another round of law and order deterioration, which is why they barricaded them, and following which what we can see, the protesters are protesting sit-in demonstration right in from the Ajikar Medical College and Hospital. We continue to bring this live broadcast where we can see that women and protesters, they are staging dharna over there. They demand until they are being allowed to go inside and to pay their homage to the deceased doctor. Remember, today is his birthday, and these protesters, they had decided to hit the street demanding justice. And months after the horrific incident unfolded in Kolkata State-run Ajikar Medical College and Hospital, and days after a lower court gave the final verdict over this rape and murder case, in which a former Kolkata Police Civic volunteer has been convicted and sentenced life term in this regard. But what we can see, that neither the Abhaya's parents or the citizens, they are not letting to die down this anger among them. Remember, it reminds me the months of August, September, October, when the Kolkata was simmering, it was boiling, and a widespread protest that triggered a massive outrages nationwide demanding justice for 31-year-old medic who was brutally raped and murdered inside the hospital premises. Once again, I would like to cut across to this visual where you can see a huge police bandobast has been established over here. CISF personnel and a large number of Kolkata police cops have deployed over here, and they have barricaded the entire entrance to the Ajikar Medical College and Hospital. Initially, the Abhaya's parents, they also took part in this protest march, which started around 3 this afternoon from Kolkata's College Square area, and that was heading towards Ajikar Medical College and Hospital. We are bringing live broadcasts. You can see through our live broadcast, a huge number of police personnel have been deployed, and kind of bandobast has been done. We can see several CISF personnel and Kolkata police cops, they are guarding the entrance of this Ajikar Medical College and Hospital. On the other side, the protests are still continuing. We have no clue how long this protest will continue, but doctors are demanding that they should be allowed to go inside to pay their homage to the deceased doctor. Back to you.
All right, Ritik, if you can quickly also speak to a couple of people there, what their reactions are and also what they're feeling today, because yes, The verdict is out, but the parents are clearly not happy with it. They're demanding capital punishment. What are the people there who gathered today saying?
We have several, senior doctors with us, and they are still, protesting over here. I would like to get their voices. Sir, if you could speak that the way police and the cops, they barricaded your way when you were headed towards the inside and to pay your homages to Abhaya. What is your take on this?
We were doing a completely silent protest today. As you have seen, more than 10,000 people were there on the road protesting silently. We had absolutely no clue why police had barricaded our way on entering the RG Kar premises. And we were talking to them. We were hoping that they could let us enter, but ultimately that didn't happen. And of course, there was this another chance that we were expecting someone from the other party, the government. People were encroaching our area, our protest, and they could do something else what we couldn't think of. So we had taken ourselves off from the premises, and I could see that we are holding ourselves on the road right
saying
now.
they are preventing you as per precautionary measure that could lead to another round of, deterioration of law and order.
The police in West Bengal are doing everything they can illegally these days. So I wouldn't comment anything on this. You would know better what exactly is happening here.
Okay, appreciate joining, sir. I have a senior citizen that जरा बताइए कि अभी यहाँ पर आए थे जो मांग अभय के what police is stopping your way towards RG Kar hospital. You are staging dharna over here. What is your reaction to this?
Reaction, actually, we are very much peaceful. There was no commotion, nothing else. A simple program was to go to inside.
Okay. Appreciate joining, sir. So these are the quick reaction we are getting from the protesting, citizen. Those have arrived over here to pay their homage, and situation is really volatile. Back to you.
All right, Ritik, appreciate joining us on the broadcast. And of course, the protesters there maintaining that they are continuing to protest in a peaceful manner, and they expect a lot more from the authorities, and they haven't been given the sort of justice that they were demanding for Devi. We'll of course continue to get the voices of people on the broadcast. Ritik, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast. And viewers, even as the parents of the victim of RG Kar horror demand justice, there has been another shocking rape case that has come to the fore in Kolkata. A minor has allegedly been raped and murdered in Newtown. The accused, an e-rickshaw driver, has been arrested by the cops after reviewing the CCTV footage.